morning. How are we all? I'm just off to the gym. I'm not feeling very well today, but I thought if I go to the gym and get it out of the way, it's to be done. Traffic's so busy today. In case you're all wondering, I'm actually just sucking on a hall soother because my throat is so sore today. But yeah, some weather today, honestly. I am actually meeting a very dear friend for lunch today because I'm finally got another day off. So don't usually have that kind of leisure, so so that's me just at the gym now. And do you know what, actually I'm going to give you a tour of my gym today because it is so cool. And it's always nice just to see as well, instead of me just speaking and there's no background, it's nice that you get to see. But anyway, this is my gym, if you can see it. Yep, I'm at the village, yes, and I love it. It's so good. Okay, so this is the village, and most villages are the same, just depends on the layout. So this one has a Starbucks inside, and then has like a diner as well, and it goes on for miles, so they do like grilled food and everything. And here is the gym. So they do like a family in changing room, and then obviously female. I don't want to take the phone in because some people can be quite funny about filming, but anyways, I will see you all later. Oh my god guys, it is so windy today. The gales are really bad. I was going to say please try and stay inside. I'm just walking into the centre to see my friend, and I'm actually like getting blown by the wind, like it's that like impactful, it's so strong, the winds, so please be careful if you guys are out. Hey guys, so I am running late to pick Deen up today from school, and the bell went just now, 3 o'clock, and I've just unexpected traffic, to be honest. So I phoned the school, I've let them know that I'm running late and I will pick Deen up in about 10 minutes time. So it's quite good because they'll hold him back, they'll keep him in the office. But my heart's just, it's going like this because I'm so nervous. Like I hate being late for him. He gets all worried and panicked. But hopefully. So while I'm on my run to school, I thought today's topic, not that I do topics every day, but let's talk about, you know, the other day I vlogged about cooking. Just off the back of that, I'm wondering, what do you guys believe? Do you think that I was right? Do you think that we should be feeding or cooking for our children at home? Or do you think that it's okay to eat a takeaway, or, you know, eat McDonald's all the time? I just think it's, for me personally, McDonald's is not an everyday thing. Deen gets it once or maybe once a fortnight, and sometimes if he's lucky once a week. Like, I don't like to eat out all the time, and he definitely knows now he's not eating out all the time. Plus it can be expensive as well, you know, it all adds up. So I managed to pick Deen up at 3:15. Normally he's out about 5 past, so it's 10 minutes late. Deen! You're not talking? Hi! So now we're on our way home. Get some food. Well, I'm stuffed. I'm gonna make Deen something. What's Deen gonna eat today? Sag? Deen absolutely loves sag. It's like kale. Is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called in English. Kale. Kale? Oh god, yeah, I think it is kale. But yeah, so Deen loves kale. Yeah, the weather's horrible today. We'll speak to you when you're home.
So my mom picked me up late and I'm not happy.
I'm so
over and play Fortnite because season 6 on and I'm gonna eat sag.
Sag! You love sag. Dean loves sag.
I love sag! Mom, have you heard the panda song?
Which one?
Panda, 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 I got proud to London. Do these and funny. Get cars and Scotland.
Dean actually changed his mind. Instead of having sag, he's like, Mom, I want chicken pasta. So I have to make chicken pasta and chicken spring rolls, which I'm still making. Honestly, that boy and his food. So there is a chicken pasta. Ah. So basically there's just peppers, chicken, herbs through that. Yeah, so kind of like to make it a nice Italian way, not like the typical desi way of making pasta. So that's ready, and Dean's eating his pasta just now, and I am going to chill out for about half an hour. Didn't go to mosque today because the wind is so bad. Actually was driving my car earlier and the wind was swerving me, so I was really scared to drive for now because it was really windy. So yeah, if any of you got caught in that, God, I hope you're okay. It's been all over the news that Scotland's been issued yellow amber warning for the weather. Dina,
This is a hat,
hello. Yeah, they met Dina. So we're gonna play a game of Jenga. Once she's done licking Dean. Licky. Look at her. Little fur ball. Oh, Dean. You're annoying her.
And we're gonna play Jenga.
Yay, right, let's set up Jenga.
Okay.
So, we're going to have a game of Jenga, okay? On you go, Dean.
So
Go first.
everybody knows it's got my name right at the top of the top right.
Yeah, like anybody's going to nick it, Dean.
Right, okay. Okay, mine.
So, the idea of Jenga is that each player removes a brick. And
Well, that doesn't count.
okay. Eventually what happens is it all falls down and then that person is a loser.
Loser!
Right.
Mommy's turn. Wait, I'll hold the camera.
It's okay. I can multitask.
Oh! Deen! Let me put it up top.
No, you don't.
Yes.
No, you don't.
I must be trying the box.
Oh, okay, go. We'll do it your way.
No, that's how everybody does it, Mom.
Okay, Dean.
I'm gonna go for a dangerous one.
Oh, that was go.
I did a really dangerous one there. That was like danger zone.
Oh, that was a wee wobble there.
I'm gonna take it to this side and
Okay.
take it even further. It's standing on one brick. Look.
Wow.
I did that both now.
My turn, my turn.
Turn.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, I'm just gonna. What did you take?
One.
Done. Just kidding.
Oh. Dina's just turned away because she's like, I don't want to play Jenga. I want to sleep.
Dun. I wanna do that bit.
Oh, that was a healthy wobble there.
I think you're gonna be.
This is gonna go, Dean.
Jenga! I got 1-0 and I made this all fall.
Okay, round 2.
I hope I get a comeback on Mum, and if it's a tie, we're gonna have the ultimate match.
Okay.
Stay until that. Okay, so here I go, you guys. Take. No.
What are you doing? Pushing it all away.
Mama?
I think you're planning to lose on the first move. It's going. Oh.
I am the master!
Not really.
What did you do?
Mom's the master.
Deen's the master is standing on one brick. Beat that, Mum.
Beat that, Dean.
Beat. Someone, I'm gonna put that.
Right. You go a bit faster, Dean.
You know what?
No.
Yes.
No.
It's gonna land like that. This is hard. Like, line it up.
Not allowed two hands.
No.
We cheat. What? Okay. I was gonna say that's a different one. But I'm not gonna lose.
Well, I don't know how you're not gonna lose, cause I just did all of that. Look, that. Oh my god, it's like that.
Okay.
Like that again.
Right, come on, let's just see what happens here. Oh.
You can take that.
That one right there.
This is not cheating.
Wibble wobble, wibble wobble. What are you doing, Dean?
So I call this challenge a wham challenge because we're having wham bars.
Yeah, we're having wham bars. It's the mega wham Jenga game.
Yeah, but I'm going to take that away like when we start the match, okay?
Okay, so this is the last and final because we were tied between us. This is the last match, so keep tuned to see who the winner is.
Tune. Been doing this for the rest of this match. Easy peasy. Easy like a bar. I mean, yeah, wham bar.
I didn't realise how juicy wham bars are.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Mind you, that's all I ate when I had you. No wonder you're a wee wham. Wee wham bam.
Like a hungry guy.
Stop being silly. Right, so, okay. This is tricky. Oh, goodness. But I have one. Okay.
But I have two.
Go on then. And the winner is
Hasn't all fallen?
me. And the
Yeah, so Dean decided that because only half of the Jenga, well, quarter of the Jenga bricks fell, we're going to continue with the game. Whatever, Dean. We're laughing because Dean farted. And it was loud.
So I was the winner of Jenga, and Dean started farting as kids do, and we absolutely hit the giggles. But thank you so much for watching, and if you had fun, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and we'll see you at the next vlog. Thank you.